Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the iPad is up to date and that you're signed into the YouTube app. This ensures compatibility and saves preferences. Once done, tap the search bar and type YouTube games or a specific game title to narrow results. Make sure to switch to the channel or playlist filter for curated game lists. That helps you avoid random clips. If you prefer touch games, include keywords like playable or browser game to find interactive videos fast. Now you focus on sorting and verifying playable content. You apply filters to show channels or playlists so you can find creators who post interactive videos regularly. Once you locate a candidate, read the thumbnail and title for playable cues, then expand the video description to find links or on-screen controls. If the game runs in browser, tap an included link and allow pop-ups. If it's an in-video interactive element, follow the prompts shown. This reduces wasted clicks and helps you play immediately. To finish, load the chosen game and test the controls. You should see prompts or linked pages within seconds. If nothing appears, close and reopen the YouTube app and retry the link, because temporary glitches often clear that way. Make sure Safari or your default browser has permission to open external links. Switching to Safari can resolve compatibility issues. If controls still fail, reload the page or update the app. That usually restores interactive elements.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.